Good morning. All right, so before I do my hair, I did want to show you guys once again these magnetic lashes. I just showed you them in a previous video, but now I am going to show you how I put them on. So this is how it looks when it comes in the kit. That's like the little magnetic thing, which I don't use. I just use my fingers, but anyway. So there's that. So the the liquid liner is magnetic. So I am going to put this on. Now, when I first tried it, I didn't put enough on because like it has some type of magnetic stuff in it and I have no idea what the ingredients are and I'm scared to look it up. But let's see if I can get that. But yeah, so when you draw your line, you want to draw it thick so that your lashes have something to stick to. Shoot. Oh. And now I'm going to do the other side. And then once it's dry, you can put your lashes on. Okay, so I think that's good. So is that thick enough? Yeah, so while that's drying, now here's the thing that I like. I've worn these lashes because they come with different sizes, but I'm not dramatic at all. So I'm gonna use the ones that I've already used before and I cut them a little bit. So now, I have a mirror in my lap. There we go. Ready. So now onto the hair. Okay, so you know that I love doing my braid locks. And I showed you guys in the previous video how I wanted to do like another I wanted to part it over to the side, right? So that's what I did last night. I washed it, I braided it over to the side. So now today I could take it out because it seems like it's dry, but I'm gonna actually keep it up and I will show you the style that I do. So let me just do like a 360 so you can see. So they're all braided up, right? As normal. All braided up. So now, hopefully you got all that. So that's the side, that's the side, and they're all braided up. So now I'm just gonna take half of it. What is this? This is a bobby pin that I had in my hair last night. Okay. So now I'm going to just do half right here. And all I do is just 2 rubber bands, and I just pray to God that they don't pop. But 2 rubber bands, and I'm not gonna double them. Yeah, I don't feel like doubling them. And then over here, I do wanna kinda have a swoop, so while it was wet last night, I kinda swooped it. That's why I had that bobby pin in there. And so yeah, so then I will do 2 over here. Do that up. I might need another bobby pin, but we'll see. And then all I'm gonna do is kind of bun the back. I'll keep two separate things, two separate ponytails or whatever. So that calls for more rubber bands, and it might call for some bobby pins. We will see. Okay, now let's do the next one. If we can kind of get those in there, because you see it, there's a lot sticking out. So let's see what we can do here. Okie dokie, so I think we have it here. Let me do a 360 for you. So that's to the side. All right, so it's probably a bobby pin stuck in there somewhere and a little wrangling, and I stuck them all in. Fun fact right here, these are not secured anywhere. They're just kind of hanging out right there, but they are staying for the most part. I don't even have a bobby pin in there. So I'll just leave those right there. And that is it. All right, outfit of the day. We have this little peplum top. I don't know the brand because it's thrifted. Black jeans and then some little booties. And we are good to go. Thank you guys again for watching. Please don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Leave me any questions, comments. I'd love to answer you guys, and I will see you soon. Thank you.